Welcome to Wedding Photography Pricing Mastery, a course designed to get you the maximum possible amount of revenue with each and every wedding. Most photographers leave anywhere from $500 to $1,500 on the table with each and every wedding. This is extra revenue that they could be earning today if they had proper pricing. How is this happening? Well, number one, through incorrect package design. Number two, by being negotiated down in price with every single wedding. Number three, by not selling enough album packages. And number four, by getting no incremental album sales after the wedding. This course is going to be all about getting back that lost $500 to $1,500. First, we're going to start out by going over the important wedding photography pricing principles. Next, we're going to determine your optimal starting price. Then we're going to design your wedding packages and finally go over some pricing best practices. Just to set the proper expectations, the course will not be covering some topics. It's not going to cover the art and technique of photography. That's a topic for another course. It's not going to cover photography marketing, which is how to get found. And it's not going to cover how to sell. It's going to strictly be focused on pricing. My teaching philosophy is pretty simple. No fluff, no padding. This course will not be a minute longer than it needs to be for you to learn the material. And I'm going to give you exact instructions and examples at every step along the way. I'm your instructor, Lawrence Kim. I had 15 years of corporate sales and marketing experience before I ever started my photography business back in 2006. I've always been kind of a business geek, and from day one, I was focused like a laser on marketing, pricing, and sales, while other photographers were focusing on photography and cameras and lenses. As a result, within my first 2 years of business, I was already averaging over $5,000 per wedding and over $100,000 a year in total revenue. Over the past 5 years, I've coached dozens of photographers from around the world on the topics of business, marketing, sales, and pricing. So with that, let's get started. Thanks again for joining my course, and please use the discussion function of the course to ask me a question at any step along the way. Now let's move on to the course.